Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I am Sanket Chaskar, currently pursuing BTech second year at VIT Vellore, and in this video I am going to tell you about fee structure of VIT Vellore or VIT University in general. So in this video I am going to tell you the fee structure of BTech and other undergraduate courses which are offered in VIT University around its all different campuses, which are Vellore, Chennai, Bhopal and AP. Stay tuned to this video, and I will guide you through all the tuition fees and hostel fees of all the courses in all 4 campuses. So broadly, the BTech course are divided into 2 groups, which are Group A and Group B. The fees of Group A and Group B differ. You can check for the courses which you are selecting, and then you can go to Group A and Group B, and then you can see what the total fee of that course is. So in Group A, there are BTech courses such as Bioengineering, Biotechnology, Chemical Engineering, Civil, Electronics and Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and Fashion Technology. So these courses come under the Group A, and the fee structure for Group A is around 1,73,000 per year or for 2 semesters. And there will be a caution deposit of 3,000 rupees which will be taken in the first year, which is refundable after the completion of the degree. So the complete fee of first year will be around 1,76,000. So in Group B, you have BTech courses such as Aerospace, Mechanical and its specialization, ECE and its specialization, CSE and its specialization. There are multiple specialization offered in VIT, so you can head to VIT website and check which campus offers which specialization. For example, if we say of aerospace engineering, if a person wants to pursue aerospace engineering, then aerospace engineering is offered only by one campus, which is VIT Bhopal. So you need to take admission in VIT Bhopal in order to get a degree as an aerospace engineer. So the fee for Group B is around 1,90,000 with a caution deposit of 3,000. The annual fee or the fee for 2 semesters will be around 1,93,000. So this fee may differ from group to group, and the caution deposit will be reduced from next year. So you will be paying caution deposit for only first year. So there are multiple other courses which are there in VIT University such as BCom, BCA, BBA, BSc. So fees will be varying, but the base fee will be around 55,000 per year, plus a caution deposit of 3,000, that will be around 58,000 in total. So you can go to the VIT website and check out the courses offered by VIT University, and then you can check out the admission fees according to your desired course and branch. So you can head on to vit.ac.in/admissions/fee structure, and there the detailed information about the fee structure is given. So this is all about the tuition fees which is taken in VIT, but the hostel fees is not included in the tuition fee. The hostel fees is to be paid separately. The hostel fee purely depends on the type of hostel you choose. There are multiple options about hostels in VIT. So you have 2-bed, 3-bed, 4-bed, 6-bed hostel and an apartment type hostel. They come with AC and non-AC accommodation. So if you choose a hostel according to your convenience, the fee may differ from one room to another, from AC to non-AC, and there are 3 different types of messes: veg, non-veg and special mess. So we will making a dedicated video on mess and hostel in VIT. So stay tuned for that video. The fee structure of hostel is also given on VIT's official website. You can go to vit.ac.in/hostels and you can check the fee structure of different hostels offered in VIT. The fees keep on changing due to the rise in electricity charges or due to the increase in raw material cost. So you can go to the website and check the latest fee structure and then choose the room accordingly. So this was all about the fee structure in VIT Vellore. All the best for your examination, and if you have any doubts about VIT Vellore in general, then you can drop them down in the comment section and I will try to solve your each and every doubt. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.